Welcome back to our channel, where we help you troubleshoot common computer issues. Today we're going to tackle the dreaded boot failure problems in Windows 10 and the newly released Windows 11. If you're having trouble starting up your computer, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in.
Before we begin, it's important to note that boot failure issues can have various causes. We'll cover some general troubleshooting steps that can help you get your computer back up and running. Remember, if you're not comfortable performing these steps, it's always a good idea to seek professional assistance.
The first step is to ensure that all your hardware connections are secure. Sometimes a loose cable or a disconnected device can prevent your computer from booting properly. Check all cables, including power, data, and peripherals, such as keyboards and mouse. If everything seems to be properly connected, let's move on to the next step.
Performing a power cycle can often resolve boot failure issues. Start by shutting down your computer completely. Then, unplug the power cable from the wall outlet and wait for about 30 seconds. Afterward, plug it back in and power on your computer. Sometimes this simple step can work wonders and bring your computer back to life.
Step 3. Access advanced startup options. If the previous steps didn't solve the problem, we can try accessing the advanced startup options. In Windows 10 and 11, you can do this by holding down the Shift key while selecting the Restart option from the Start menu. Once you're in the advanced startup options, you'll find several troubleshooting options that can help you resolve boot failure problems. You can try options such as Startup Repair, System Restore, or even Reset this PC if necessary.
Step 4. Check for software or driver issues. If the previous steps didn't work, it's possible that a software or driver issue is causing the boot failure. To address this, you can try booting into safe mode. In both Windows 10 and 11, you can access safe mode by repeatedly pressing the F8 key during startup or by using the advanced startup options we mentioned earlier. Once you're in safe mode, you can uninstall recently installed programs or drivers that might be causing conflicts. You can also perform a system scan using your antivirus software to check for any malware or viruses.
Step 5. Seek professional help. If you've followed all these steps and your computer still won't boot, it's best to seek professional help. Sometimes, hardware issues or more complex software problems require the expertise of a trained technician. Don't hesitate to reach out to a local computer repair service or your device manufacturer's support team. That wraps up our guide on resolving boot failure issues in Windows 10 and 11. We hope these steps were helpful to you. Remember, troubleshooting computer problems can be challenging, but with patience and the right information, you'll be back up and running in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.